the people. Abia, kwenu. Abia, kwenu. Abia, kwezunu. Nigeria, mamao. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, for want of time, I will restrict the protocol list or really rely on the existing list of protocol for want of time. But permit me to recognize once again the presence of our great acting national chairman and his national working committee here present. I thank you immensely for finding time to come, because your presence here just signifies that the party is here and the party is strong. May I also, in no particular order, recognize my very good friend, a man who, I don't know what I did to him in life, but he's always been there for me solidly. That is Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State. And no wonder he's the chairman of this occasion. May I also recognize the chief host, my brother, the only PDP governor of the Southeast Extraction, Governor Peter Mba. I will not do without recognizing members of the Board of Trustees here present. My strength, they are always advising and leading me aright, but no one does it alone. I thank you all for coming. And those that I have not remembered, I rest on the existing protocol, but so that I don't get sacked by my party, let me recognize the chairman of our Governors Forum, Governor Bala Mohammed. Governor Mohammed has been very supportive and always advising in the right direction. Of course, I don't want to talk of his entourage, which includes Ningi, Abdul Ningi, and Aminu Wali, and others. I will also recognize my friend from Rivers State, Senator John Azuta Mbata, who were in the Senate in those days. So he found time to come here with my elder brother, well, not elder brother, with my senior in the Senate, the former NRC minority leader of the Senate, Senator Dr. Birabi. If I continue to recognize, we will not leave here today because the governors, they want to leave very early because there are no landing facilities at their destination. Having said so, please, I recognize everybody here that is here. I am highly elated. I didn't believe that I would be alive, to, of course, see this day. I didn't believe that. Not to talk of, our governor, the governor of this state, who made a very beautiful speech in my address. And he has left, but I think I need to thank him immensely for providing security, and I'm happy he alluded to the fact that this occasion wouldn't have taken place, if he did not give his approval. The more so when some people are already saying that Abia was not safe. I thank him immensely. Of course, what do we say? It's just like PDP is just like a family. PDP is like a family, when a family that has grown into a dynasty, you find maybe if the family started with a son named Wabara. By the time you have children here and there, they get married, they move around, and you tend to lose the source and the roots of that family. So that every politician in Nigeria today, as far as Wabara is concerned, was one time or the other a PDP member, and was a PDP member. Therefore, they can answer all kinds of names. Maybe they can answer all kinds of, but the root is PDP. And since somebody like what's his name, the blind man, the blind singer from America, after almost 80 years, after almost 80 years, he found his route to Ghana. He found it. So all these people who are leaving PDP, in the next 2 or 3 years, they will find their roots back to PDP. So, ladies and gentlemen, my esteemed members of the People's Democratic Party, distinguished guests, and cherished supporters, today I stand before you with immense gratitude and humility as I address you on this joyous occasion of my reception party as the substantive chairman of the Board of Trustees of our great. First and foremost, I extend my deepest appreciation to all the party faithful who have bestowed upon me this great honor and entrusted me with the responsibility to lead the build. I will not go down my address, but honestly, I am full of gratitude to everybody, particularly the organizing committee headed by the former deputy governor of this state. I thank him a lot for his resilience and for all he has done. Because the governors must leave and we will remain, as our state governor said, we will go for the banquet. Maybe we reserve the other part of my address, during that banquet. I thank you all and wish you journey mercies when you are leaving. But I must not end without thanking those who made this possible. Their contributions financially and their support and guidance. God bless you.